Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for MEXT. First, understand the two main application routes, embassy recommendation and university recommendation. The embassy route often has earlier deadlines and requires passing exams at the Japanese embassy in your country. The university route involves applying directly to a Japanese university, which then recommends you. Both require excellent academic performance and a compelling study plan. Next, focus on preparing a strong application package. This includes official transcripts, letters of recommendation, and a well-crafted research proposal or study plan. Your proposal should clearly outline your academic interests and how they align with your chosen university or field. Demonstrating proficiency in either English or Japanese is crucial, often through standardized tests. For the embassy route, preparing for the written exams is vital. Practice past questions in subjects like Japanese, English, and your specialized field. If you pass, you'll face an interview. For both routes, the interview assesses your motivation, academic background, and suitability for studying in Japan. Be ready to discuss your research, future goals, and why you chose Japan. Finally, meticulously review your entire application before submitting it. Any missing or incorrect information can lead to disqualification. Connect with current MEXT scholars or alumni. Their insights can be incredibly valuable. They can offer tips on navigating the process and adjusting to life in Japan. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals. Good luck with your application.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.